I'm sorry, I cannot hear my voice.
Kulang pa yun sa inom.
Alak pa more. Thank you, everyone. Actually,
Kulang pa lang inom. Kulang pa lang inom.
hoy, pwede ba yung rock na kantahin nyo?
I give my... Maraya ako eh. Pala decision ka. To have just one more night with you. I'd risk my life to feel your body next to mine. 'Cause I can't go on living in that memory.
Hoy, magsayaw ko kayong dalawa.
Song I give my all for your love. Steve the Lizard, baby. Tonight, give my
Wow.
all for your love. Tonight. Tonight, thank you. Haba na.
Thank you so much, Mariah Carey. Okay, our last singer. Let us all welcome Miss Rihanna.
Pusit,
And
kaya
you got me
talaga.
like, oh. Gantahin mo yun.
Hoy, magsayaw kayo ha.
Ano mga kantahin
Sige na,
ko?
baby. The
Umbrella,
morning song.
ah.
Let's go.
Yung
Oo.
moaning? Yung may
Lady in
moaning?
Red ba yun?
Yes, you're... What's the use of being a morning queen? Duh.
Okay. Sure.
Pasaya, pasaya. Okay, let's go. Yeah. We're gonna do the second voice.
Hoy, i-play mo na.
Wait a minute, oh. Mag-commercial pa.
May lakad ka ba, Claire? Baka. Meron.
Nagko-commercial pa
Sorry
eh.
everyone, we are too noise, but it's okay.
Oh, pasaya na.
Oh, patay na. Diba? And you got me like, what you want for me? And I tried to buy your pretty heart, but the price too high. Baby, you got me like, you love me like fall apart. So kaya
Hindi ako dancer.
kasi nawawala ako.
Sorry everyone, bad connection. So,
If you got me like, then stop loving me, then quit loving me, just stop loving me. Oh, and babe, I'm fist fighting with the fire just to get close to you and burn something big and run for miles just to get the taste. Both me love on the brain. This got me feeling this way.
yummy tayo.
It's got me black and blue, but it fucked me so good, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain, yeah. And keep calling my name. No matter what I do, I no good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Then you keep loving
Our
me,
medicine.
just love me, yeah. Just love me. All you need to do is love me, yeah. Got me like, I've been like, isip ka lang. Natatawa ako.
Sorry everyone, watch at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only.
Baby like, then stop loving me, then quit loving me, just stop loving me. Oh, and babe, I'm fist fighting with the fire just to get close to you. Some and and for a month just to get a taste. Mostly in love on the brain. It's got me feeling this way. It's with me black and blue, but it's finally so good I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Keep closing my name. No matter what I do, I'm no good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain.
Alright. Okay, thanks to all your wonderful performance. Okay, we have a game. I call it reflection. Hoy, makinig kayo.
Ano ba?
Hindi ko alam ano, hindi ko
We have
alam
a
anong
game.
pinasok ko ba.
This is round 1. The title is reflection.
I want the round 3.
Ano ba to? Di ko naman to.
Tigilan nyo. Ito
Pinapasok
na ha. Ito, putangin na nyo. Gayahin nyo to ha.
Ano? Lang ka, oy, paano ka magaya?
Anong gagayahin namin? Sayaw?
Hoy! Ba't na-stop? You need to, say, yamite ko na
No,
sa.
yours.
Play na. Number 1,
Paano?
jowa. Gagayahin nyo lang.
Anong gagayahin?
Ang kulit nyo.
Hindi mo ma-play ah.
Wait lang.
Ano yan?
Raise your yeah.
O yan, ha? Wait.
Paano?
Okay,
Ano? Paano yan?
Yeah.
it's like repeat after me. It's like that.
Ano nga
Ang
yun?
walang tatawa. Kailangan seryoso.
Ano yun?
Okay.
Ano yun?
Game na. Gagayahin nyo lang itong ipi-play ko. Gagayahin nyo itong ipi-play ko, ha?
Ano nga?
Ano nga yun?
Ito nga ipi-play ko na. Okay, Jowa, ikaw muna.
Right finger. Okay. Raise your yeah.
O, yun.
Five finger, raise your ya.
ya.
Ano yun sabi? Five finger? Five finger.
Five
raise
finger.
your
Yeah. Five finger. Yeah.
Sino muna? Jowa. Bakit may press to?
Five finger. Yeah!
Walang tatawa, ha? Ang tatawa, kailangan, mag-yamite kudasai 3 times.
Visit.
Diyos ko,
Okay.
ano ba yung yamite kasi?
Hi, Jowa, ikaw na muna.
Yun
Okay, gagayahin mo to.
Raise your yeah. Raise your
Oh, Jowa.
It's your yeah.
Ako naman ang tawa ng tawa.
Ganun yun. Paano yun? Five finger. Raise your ya.
Okay, class. Listen to your teacher. I said you need to, repeat after this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Five
Again.
fingers nga yun. Sabi niya, five fingers ah.
yeah. Raise your
Oh, again. Hindi nawala tuloy.
Yun.
Hoy, ikaw na, Whitney.
raise your right finger. Okay.
Ano ba kasi yung sinasabi?
Hindi ko ano. Crazy yung five finger.
Makinig kasi kayo. Ito ha.
Raise your yeah. Raise
Oh, play.
I don't use my five finger, only one finger.
Sorry guys.
Two fingers.
Hindi, sabi niya diba, raise your ya. Hi,
Five finger yung nauna kanina eh. Paano nawala yung five finger? Paano yun?
Oh, ito okay.
Hello, my name is Rosa and I
Init,
am
init.
Other.
or Ari. Each of us has our own sexy
Nako,
voice.
matatapos talaga tayo
Now
nito
let's
mga
take
alas
a look
2.
at this.
Kasi yun na nga yung sinabi niya.
Mga alas 2 na. Sige.
Okay, stop dance na nga lang. Hindi tayo matatapos nito.
Busy ka kasi
Wait,
nung
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just stay there. We are not crazy.
Okay, Sharia.
We forgot to take our medication.
Uy, ay, teka muna. Yung sinasabi nun, ganun yun. Crazy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nandyan si Crazy, oh.
Oo.
Goodness kayo. Alam niyo.
Crazy.
Nakita ko si Crazy, eh.
Okay, game.
You're rhyming.
No,
Oh.
daw.
Who?
What
So,
happened?
do this for me. So whatever happened.
So whatever happened, ito naman siya.
Oh.
Ganun eh.
Game.
So whatever.
Back out na ako nito talaga.
Hoy, repeat mo na to. Whitney Houston. O, ito na. Ulit.
So whatever happens.
Oh.
So whatever
Narinig mo?
happens. Oh, ganun. Diba?
Oh,
May queen
yes,
yun.
perfect. Okay, si Rihanna. Rihanna, ha? Oh, napakasimple lang nun.
Ano daw? Hindi ko narinig eh.
Wait. Tangin na, pagod lang.
Ito talaga si Claire. Uy, alas 3 na kayo.
Oh.
Hindi ko marinig kasi ang ingay niya, ang ingay natin Maris, hindi ko marinig.
Okay, again.
Into the unknown. Into the unknown.
Oh.
Interior? Interior, no! Hindi ko
It's okay if only tata. No! Ganon.
busy.
Game na.
Interior.
Pinapatay niyo ako dito. Akala niyo ano
Namumula na ako dito, kakatakot.
Oh,
Busy
game na.
kayo.
Oh. Na, ha? Only. Okay, you need to say Yamite. Hoy, Rihanna, you need to say Yamite. Yamite, you lose the game.
Anong yamite?
Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo.
Sabi-
Yami, te,
With
kuya,
feelings, 3
angkol.
times. Yamite, kudasay. Turuan mo ang gawa.
Kinasay. Oh, yun na.
Oh, 3 times.
Oh,
Again.
Yamete.
Patay, patay.
Kinasay. Ah, yamete. Ah, kinasay. Busy.
Okay. Hoy, bumaba na kayo. Mamaya na ulit. Okay, thank you everyone. I would like to call our special guest. Priscilla, mag-request ka na. To sing a song that... bahala ka. Priscilla! Welcome! Priscilla! Sige sis, kumanta ka na.
Di pa ako naka-move on dun sa morning sound. Hello everyone. Ano bang kakanta?